Hi, this video is intended to be an overview of the GoFormz app. When you first open the app, it will automatically take you to the Forms page of the app. This is indicated by the bar along the bottom of the app. The Forms section is highlighted in blue, showing you that this is the page you are on. These 4 buttons along the bottom are 4 of the different pages of the app. I'm actually going to start with the first page, called New. This is the page you will visit whenever you wish to start a new form from a previously existing template. In GoFormz language, a template is just a blank version of the form you want to fill out. At the top of the page, you will see Select a Template and a couple of different options below that. The first is the Recent Templates section. This section will show whichever templates you've used most recently. If you see the one you want, you can tap on it from here and it will open a blank form. If the template you want isn't in your recently used, then scroll down a little to see the folders. Just tap on the folder you want to access and it will bring up a list of all the templates in that folder. Again, just tap the template that you want and it will open a blank form. Once you have your blank form, you can start to fill out all the information in the document. When you finish filling everything out, you have some different options for what to do with the form. Some of these options are housed in the 3 dots in the middle of the bottom of the screen. If you tap that, it will bring up a list. The first option is Details and History. This option allows you to see information such as the name of the form, the dates it was created or modified, what template it is using, tags, and the edit history of this particular form. If the information has an arrow next to it, then you are able to edit that information, such as the name, or see it in more detail, such as with the form history. To exit that menu, hit the back button in the top left corner. The next option in the 3 dots menu is Transfer. If you tap this option, then you will see a list of names of other Omega GoFormz users. If you have a form that needs to be filled out partially by one of the people on this list, then you can transfer the form to them and it will keep all the markings you have made previously. The third option in the 3 dots menu is Share. This option allows you to send your form to someone who does not use GoFormz. You can specify which pages you want to send. If none, then leave this blank, and then hit the Share button in the top right corner. This will bring up your device's share menu so you can pick how you would like your form to be sent. The fourth option in the 3 dots menu is Delete. This will delete the form from your GoFormz account. The last option for what to do with a filled out form is to hit the Complete button in the bottom right corner. Once this button is tapped, then the form is marked as complete and emailed to the appropriate people. It is important to only hit the Complete button after your form has been completely filled out. While you are able to re-edit the form later, hitting the Complete button more than once will send a new copy to the project manager and other automatic recipients each time. The next page in the app is the Recents page. This page houses 2 sections, Templates and Forms. The Templates section works the same way as the New page. So if you see the template you want to use, just tap it and it will open a blank form. The Forms section will show you all of the forms you have filled out recently. You can just tap on these in order to see what you filled out before or mark a previously unfinished form as complete. The third page along the bottom is the Forms page. This page holds all of the forms that you have ever filled out. Right underneath the heading, there's a line of options. The first symbol in this line is the Sorting button. If you tap it, it will give you the option to sort your forms by name or date modified in order to assist you in finding a specific form. The next 3 options are the View for the page. The first is All, which will show you every form you have ever started, regardless of its status of completion. The next tab is Drafts, which will only show you forms you have started but not marked as completed. The last tab is Completed, which will show you any forms that you have marked as completed. The last symbol in this row is the Shared Forms section. If you tap this symbol, you'll get a list of any forms that you have shared with someone else for completion, if you have any. The last page of the app is the Settings page. This page has 3 tabs along the top. The first is the Sync tab. This will allow you to manually sync your app with the GoFormz server so you can make sure that you have the latest version of all the templates and forms. This tab will also let you know when the last time your app synced. The next section is the Profile section. This just tells you your information in GoFormz, such as your name and contact info. You can also change your password from this tab. The last tab is Devices and Apps, which gives you a little information about your app. You can also tap the Retake App Tour Now button for the app itself to give you a mini demonstration of how to use it. The last feature of the Settings page is that the Logout button is in the top right corner if you ever want to log out of GoFormz on your device. One additional feature that is in all 3 of the new, Recents, and Forms pages is the Search button in the top right corner. If you tap this button, you can type in the name of what you are looking for and the app will bring up results. Using the buttons underneath the search bar, you can indicate whether you want your results to be forms or templates by tapping the appropriate button. You can also use the Filter button to sort your results by name or date last modified. Lastly, you can use the slider button next to Include Forms Not on Device in order to indicate if you want to search every form that has ever been created or if you want just the ones stored on your own device. Once you're done searching, tap the Cancel button to return to the rest of the app. In this video, I've explored the GoFormz app and how to use all of its features. Hopefully this will be helpful to you.